Let's get ready to save with a preferred business partnership with Rhinestones Unlimited. Have you created a Rhinestones Unlimited customer account? This is step 1. At rhinestonesu.com, click Sign In and then Create Account. Fill out the form and click Register Now. If you have already made a purchase on our website, an account was automatically created. You can easily reset your password to access your customer account. Let's get you set with preferred business pricing with Rhinestones Unlimited. Once you are ready with an online customer account, log in and then you can get set with special wholesale pricing reserved for businesses, nonprofits, and schools. At rhinestonesu.com, click the Wholesale Pricing banner, page down and fill out the preferred business pricing form. Upload a proof of business document as explained. If the form is complete with an acceptable proof of business, your customer account will be updated to business preferred wholesale pricing within 2 business days. It's time to sparkle with your new preferred business wholesale pricing login. Once you are ready with a customer account and are set with business preferred wholesale pricing, it's time to sparkle. If you are not logged in, you will see our general consumer pricing. Always make sure you log into your customer account so you can see your business preferred wholesale pricing. With your pricing in place, now it's time to create.